Hello guys, how are you? This is Angelos and Explore Russian. I thought I would give you a quick tip. I wanted to record this video very quickly today. I had this in my mind. By the way, I am in the center of the city. This is a beautiful yard here. I wanted to record this here because out there on the street it's quite windy today, so the recording came out very noisy. So I wanted to give you this great tip today from my experience. The Russian language has a great advantage. So you guys, Russian learners, have a great advantage when it comes to learning Russian as opposed to other foreign languages. So what is that thing? In the Russian language, you can change the order of the words. You can put the words in any order and it will be a perfect sentence, grammatically speaking. For example, Я сегодня пойду в кино. You can change the order, you can make it в кино сегодня пойду. Или пойдем сегодня в кино. Okay, and it is a perfect sentence. You can't do this with other language, with the English language, for example. You can't say today to the cinema I will go. That doesn't sound right, does it? No. So what is the tip? Let's say that you want to form a sentence in Russian. And you're not sure about a word, about the noun, about the verb, whatever. It doesn't matter. Structure your sentence, start your sentence with the words that you're sure about, and let your Russian friend, a native speaker, your teacher, complete the sentence for you. For example, let's say you start with «В кино сегодня», and your Russian friend says «Пойдем». Да, пойдем. You didn't remember that verb of motion. Пойдем, придем, зайдем, идем. What is that, the right one? It doesn't matter. Start the sentence with the words that you know and let them finish the word for you. That's a great tip, trust me. You can't do this with other languages. In Russian, you can throw in the words that you know and they will finish the sentence for you, and it will sound as perfect Russian. It will be perfect, a 100 correct sentence in Russian. Okay, you can say, for example, в магазин я быстро зайду. Okay, I will go to the shop quickly, I will come back. With verbs, with nouns, whatever. Another reason you should use this tip is the following. When you speak to native speakers don't correct you all the time. So even if you use the wrong verb of motion and you don't say пойдем, but you say придем, a Russian native speaker, they want to be polite and they will probably not correct you. The problem with that is the following, that you will use it once, you will say the wrong thing once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then the more you use it and nobody corrects you, the more you think that this is the right thing to say, this is actually correct. That comes from psychology, I think. The more we see something, the more we hear something, no matter how truthful it is, just because we repeatedly hear something and we see something, we think it is correct. It's the right thing. So that's another reason why you should use this. You should let them finish the word for you if you're unsure. Of course, you can make mistakes. You're encouraged to make mistakes when you speak the language. You should take risks. But I mean, if Russian language is like this, if Russian language has this characteristic, why not let them finish the sentence for you, and then you will be 100% sure what is the right thing to say.